Hey guys, today we will take a look at silent block bushing replacement. You can buy whole new arm, but if you want to save some money you can reuse old one. In this video we will change bushings without press. We will need some metal pipe, angle grinder, flame or heat gun and welding machine. So let's get into it. For pressing I am using piece of pipe. This tube is bigger in diameter, so I made a cut in the middle and I will pull it together. It has to move freely. But you don't have to use just only pipe. You can use some old bearings which will fit inside. I welded the pipe together, so I could remove the hose clamp. And you will also need pipe which is bigger than bushing. The bushing will be pressed into it. So I cut piece of pipe in the middle and made it larger. I hammered a wedge inside the cut. Make sure you made the pipe bigger. I will weld both ends of the pipe. You shouldn't weld it in the middle because you could add material inside which you can't access and remove. And now we will burn the rubber inside. You have to do this first, if you can't get threaded rod which is used to press out the bushing, through the hole. This part starts at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. I let it burn for 5 minutes. And whack the inside of bushing out. You can also use heat gun for this, but it takes twice as long. With heat gun, whole bushing came off. Less work for me. I will secure the arm in a vise. And take the blade from the saw. We need to get the blade inside. If you can't get the blade inside, you can burn or drill the rubber. I will mark my silent block, so I will put the new one in the same orientation. I have it on the other side, so I will now mount back my saw. Right now I will cut the outside shell of silent block. It should be done. And now we can press the remains out. I am using threaded rod and steel plates. And it didn't move, so I will use penetrating oil. It moved a little. It's stuck in there, so I will punch it out. It's dirty and rusty, so I will clean it a little. I bought Lemforder ones. And I will check if they are the same size. For pressing, I am using the marks I made before. bit of lube. You have to use outside shell of bushing for pressing it in. Otherwise you can damage the bushing. You have to press it into the middle. Measure from both ends if you have it in the middle. Check the position. On the second one I made a marker in the middle. And I will watch it through middle hole. And they are both done. Thank you for watching.